Hi, my plan tomorrow. I am going to sleep after lunch. I am going to the medical iPhone. I will do different homework with the children. Next weekend, I am going to the out with my friends to the beach. I am going to the cinema. I am going to do house cleans. Next year, I am going to do months. I am going to take care of my son. I am going to continue studying English. In 5 years, I am going to have graduate. I am going to buy a house. I am going to have a new son. In 10 years, I am going to buy a car. I am going to keep working in school while children. I am going to marry. I am in 20 years. I am going to have my school. I am going to meet other children. I am going to enjoy all my success.